Restoring a 1955 Chevy Bel Air is not just about fixing metal. It is about resurrecting a legend that lived 1,000 lives. Start in a junkyard where this beauty sits forgotten. Rust has eaten through the fenders like cancer. Weeds strangle the chrome bumpers. The paint that once gleamed like liquid gold now flakes off in your hands. But listen closely. Former owners share their stories. One drove it to his wedding. Another raced it down Route 66 at midnight. Each dent holds a memory. Strip everything down to bare bones. The body separates from the frame like peeling back layers of history. Sandblasting reveals virgin metal underneath decades of decay. Sparks fly as welders reshape panels with surgical precision. Every hammer strike is a heartbeat, bringing it back to life. Gray primer coats the entire shell. Then comes the guide coat, a rainbow dust that reveals every imperfection. Sand it smooth until your fingers bleed. The paint booth becomes a cathedral. Deep metallic gold flows over curves like honey. Black accents slice through the gold like lightning. The V8 engine gets rebuilt bolt by bolt. Pistons slide into cylinders with whispered promises of power. Gold valve covers match the exterior. Chrome gleams like mirrors. Lower it back into the engine bay where it belongs. Inside, black leather wraps the seats tight. Gold stitching traces every seam. The steering wheel feels alive again in your grip. Chrome trim reflects your face back at you. Bumpers snap on. Windows slide into place. Wheels bolt tight. Badges return home. Finally, she sits complete under golden hour light. Not just restored, reborn. Every scratch erased. Every story preserved. This is not a car anymore. This is rolling art that refuses to die.